Hey guys, Ralph Fan here, and today I'm at the Broadway Avenue / Devon Road railroad crossing in Devon, Montana. This town here is basically just a grain elevator, really. It's basically just a ghost town. So, yeah. So, this first posted, as you can see, there's a crossbook at this crossing. It actually has the BNSF's old emergency information, which is quite cool. So, and it's basically just for this little bit spur here. I have a whole bunch of my equipment. Freight train just roared by. So, yeah, I was in eastbound. So, yeah. So, first signal here, we have a safe tram base. Then we have an emphasis rail gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. The dot number is 088046J. The lights are safe tram controlled by 24-inch lights with LEDs in them. And gate lights. The gate lights are Rico gate lights. That was facing east towards Havre. And that was facing towards Dunkirk and Shelby. So yeah, I think 4 people died at this crossing, since this cross is there. So yeah, it also looks like they're putting in new grades. It looks like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's old or new. So yeah, and I don't think there's a westbound coming since there's all red signals. As it says, this signal, it has a safe tram base. It has an emphasis rail gate mechanism. There's the emergency information right there. The lights are safe tram 12 by 24-inch lights again. The bell at this crossing, it's a general signals type 2 electronic bell, and the gate lights are Rico gate lights. Okay, so the reason why I say Broadway Avenue / Devon Road is because on the relay case, as you can see there, which is right there, it says Broadway Avenue, and on Google Earth it says that's Devon Road. So I'm really not sure. It's kind of like Benjamin Road and / Tool City Road in Shelby. So yeah. That was the Devon Road / Broadway Avenue rail crossing on the Highline subdivision at milepost 1047.65. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you down the line.